pretty sharp. It's got 6 LED in the middle. On the end, we have a little knockout tab. We unscrew it. It's got 4 screws holding that in. Take those out. And you can put some more fog lights in there, more LED lights. Got metal clips instead of plastic ones. It's sharp. Flat black. Go with the flat black we got on here. Of course, I'll need to clean mine up some. But I like black and white. I like chrome also. But we're going to change that out. Pull the old dingy looking chrome one off there and put this new black one on. I'll show you how it's done. One of the first things we have to do is pull this cover off. Got a bunch of little plastic rivets. Those come off pretty easy. I'll show you how to disconnect, take those off. Alright, just pull these little plastic rivets out. Get some little plastic tools. If you don't have one of these, it's no big deal. You can use a screwdriver, a small bladed screwdriver. Get underneath it. And what they are, you want to bring up the top part of it first, which will collapse, but allow this part of it to collapse. Then you pull the rest of the rivet out. If you have one of these tools, the same difference. Bring this one up and then go underneath and pull the whole rivet out. Okay, we got them all out. Should lift up off her. We'll set this aside. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 millimeter. You remove those. That'll pop this the rest of the way out of there. Alright, we have some plastic clips at both ends. And we have some more clips down in here. Grab a hold of the top in the middle, give it a good firm, and they'll pop loose. Other side. Pretty much feels like you're fixing to break something. The bottom one's right there. Press that down, and it'll slide out of there. And you have 4 of those to release. And if you're having any troubles with disconnecting any of these items, it does also come with instructions. One sheet and a plastic sleeve. Check on it, read the instructions. Not all of us do that. Okay, as we're putting all this back together, as you can see, it's pretty much reverse process of taking it apart. Push this tab in so you can get it locked into place. All 4 of them. Once you snap your grill into place, put your bolts in, plastic cover back on top, and all your plastic rivets. You're done. It's super simple. While I'm putting this one back together, please take the time to look down below. The link, you can click on it, take you straight to it. Okay, we got those in. Ready to put our top cover back on. Find something you like in there. All the prices are very reasonable. And don't forget there is a promotional code. Get yourself 12% off. D&A Haulers. Push the top. Alright, it's installed. Wasn't too bad. I wired the lights up to a key hot in the fuse box. This way anytime key's on, lights are on. I've been wanting LED lights in my grill. American Modified's got this one in a flat black. Also have a gloss black. Large variety of different grills. Honda, Ford, Tesla, and so on. This is a sponsored video. There will be a promotional code. You should get a discount as well. Alright, I'm sure a lot of you are wondering how bright these fog lights are off-road. Well, I'm going to take you around back where there's absolutely no light. It is dark outside, and I'll show you. All right, what you're looking at now is LED fog lights on the grill and 4 headlights. Now let's turn all the headlights off. That's the light from the 6 LED lights on the grill. Well, you can see it puts out a fair amount of light. Those are pretty bright. Actually, a lot more light than I expected. If it helps you out, great. Like, subscribe, share. There's more of this to come. Thanks for watching.